Remove the protective backing from 2 strips of double-sided adhesive tape 69C. Stick the 2 strips of adhesive tape 69C onto the highlighted areas on the passenger's seat base padding 69B. Next, remove the outer protective backing from the 2 pieces of adhesive tape 69C stuck to the passenger's seat base padding 69B. Finally, stick the seat base padding 69B to the inside of the passenger's seat base upholstery 69A. Start assembly by fitting the passenger's seat base frame 70A inside the passenger's seat base upholstery 69A. Secure the base frame 70A to the seat base upholstery 69A with 5 EP screws. Retrieve the passenger's seat backrest assembled in issue 65. Insert the 2 lower pivots on the backrest upholstery 63A into the 2 tabs on the passenger's seat base frame 70A. Secure the backrest to the seat base with the DP screw on each side. Insert the passenger's seat left L guide 70C into the left side of the passenger's seat rail 70B. Refer to the image to orient the parts correctly. Insert the passenger's seat right R guide 70D into the right side of the passenger's seat rail 70B. Align the assembly rail the guides 70C and 70D with the tabs marked on the inside of the passenger's seat base frame 70A. Finally, secure the guides 70C and 70D to the passenger's seat base frame 70A with 2 MP screws. Begin assembly by fitting the seat belt anchor 71B to the left side of the passenger's seat housing 71A. Fit the seat vertical adjustment control 71C to the right side of the passenger's seat housing 71A. Retrieve the passenger's seat assembled in issue 70. Align the passenger's seat housing 71A with the bottom of the seat base frame 70A as shown in the image. Secure the housing assembly 71A to the seat base frame 70A with 2 AP screws.